My name is Katie Stoesz, and I will be an emergency medicine physician assistant at Southeast Iowa Regional Medical Center. For undergrad, I went to Northwestern College, and then I majored in biology, health sciences, and then I continued to go to Northwestern College to get my degree as a PA. I chose emergency medicine because I've always been really drawn to general medicine, especially when I was a young kid. I actually was the kid that enjoyed going to the doctor's office, so I was just from a young age drawn to medicine, and then continued to really enjoy the sciences, specifically biology and anatomy, in high school and undergrad. And then with emergency medicine, I enjoyed the fast-paced environment as well. I think my goal as a provider is to be both competent and compassionate. Competent in a way that where I'm providing my patients the highest level of care that I can, and also, being a provider that actually truly listens to my patients, focusing on practicing patient-centered care, just making sure my patients feel heard and listened to and a part of their medical decision-making. I chose Great River Health, one, because it reminds me of home. I grew up in Iowa. I also had the opportunity to do some rotations here, specifically in the emergency department. And just being a student here, I could really see how the providers really cared for their patients that they were seeing, and also how they valued teamwork and just collaboration among the providers, including the physicians and the PAs and the nursing staff, to deliver the best care they could to each patient. I think the most rewarding part of emergency medicine is just working with patients and being in the emergency department. A lot of times you are seeing these patients in true emergencies and crisis, and that can be really challenging at times, but it can also be rewarding in the aspect that you truly can save these patient lives, or you're making decisions that are going to allow these patients to go on to live healthy lives. In my free time, I like to spend a lot of time with my husband, as well as our family and friends. Together with my husband, we like to travel. We actually had a recent trip to Europe, so that was pretty fun. We also like to go golfing and play pickleball, and we just enjoy watching sporting events in general, specifically basketball and football.